10 other ways to say, me too. 1. Same here. 2. So do I. 3. I feel the same way. 4. Tell me about it. 5. Likewise. 6. I couldn't agree more. 7. Join the club. 8. You and me both. 9. I'm with you on that. 10. That makes two of us. One. Same here. Used in casual conversations, to agree with someone.
I love pizza.
Same here.
2. So do I. For positive sentences, with action verbs like, love, want.
I love coffee in the morning.
So do I.
3. I feel the same way. For emotional, or opinion-based statements.
This movie made me cry.
I feel the same way.
4. Tell me about it. Used to emphasize strong agreement, often with frustration.
Mondays are the worst.
Tell me about it.
5. Likewise. Short and polite response, often in professional settings.
It was nice meeting you.
Likewise.
6. I couldn't agree more. For stronger agreement, in professional, or serious discussions.
This new policy is great for employees.
I couldn't agree more.
7. Join the club. A fun way to say me too, when talking about shared experiences.
I'm so tired today.
Join the club.
8. You and me both. Used when both people share the same experience, often negative.
I have so much work to do.
You and me both.
9. I'm with you on that. Stronger way to express agreement.
This traffic is awful.
I'm with you on that.
10. That makes two of us. For fun and friendly agreement.
I need a vacation.
That makes two of us.